Gaugrass Math Sahab. Today I am going to discuss about one question that has been taken from Chapter 1 Relation and Function of NCERT 12th Maths. That question is question number 5, exercise 1.2, equal to, so that the signum function f is to capital R goes to capital R comma given by f of x equal to curly bracket 1 comma if x greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, minus 1 comma if x is less than 0 is neither 1 1 nor unto. So this is the question which I have to prove this function is not 1 1 and this function is not unto. Here signum function is defined by these conditions. So what is signum function? Signum function f into capital R goes to capital R, defined by f of x equal to f of x equal to 1 if x is greater than 0. So here if the value of x is greater than 0, so whatever value if you take, that value will be greater than 0, then fx will always be 1. If x equal to 0, fx equal to 0. If the value of x, if you take less than 0, in all cases fx equal to minus 1 will be there. That's why this function is called signum function. If you take x equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, here the f of minus 1 equal to minus 1, f of minus 2 equal to minus 1, f of minus 3 equal to minus 1, f of minus 4 equal to minus 1, f of minus 5 equal to minus 1. In all cases, if you take the value of x here negative, the output will always be minus 1 here. That's why this function is known as signum function. Like this, if you take value of x here 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, then in all cases fx equal to 1 will be there, because here I have taken the value of x greater than 0. F of 0 equal to 0. So that's why this function is called signum function. So here it is given signum function f into capital R goes to capital R. So now come out to solution here. Solution equal to, here I shall write, given that f is to capital R goes to capital R. Here you can see this capital R here is domain. Here this capital R is codomain. Now here I can write, imply that the capital R equal to the set of real numbers, imply that capital R, if I write capital R equal to, this is the tabular form or roster form, in roster form or tabular form, I can write the set of real number, that is capital R equal to open curly bracket dot 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 -7 -6 -5 dot 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 -2 -1 comma 0 1 2 3 curly bracket close. So here -7 will be element of capital R, -6 element of capital R, -5 belong to capital R, -2 belong to capital R, -1 belong to capital R, 0 belong to capital R, 1 belong to capital R, 2 belong to capital R, 3 belong to capital R. So these are the elements of capital R. So domain, the element of domain can be any member amongst these members. Element of codomain can be any member amongst these members. So this is the definition I have explained in detail. Now here it says signum function f is to capital R goes to capital R defined as fx equal to open here curly bracket 1 if x greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, -1 comma if x less than 0. This is a signum function. So this is the statement I have written. So now what to do, imply that you can write very well, imply that fx is equal to 1. Fx equal to 1 if x greater than 0. If the value of x is greater than 0, then in all cases fx is equal to 1. Imply that you can write fx is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0. Here you can write fx is equal to -1 comma if x less than 0. Here you can see x is greater than 0. So the value of x can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whatever value of x, if you put here, that will be greater than 0. If you put here x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4. In all cases, output will be 1. X equal to 0, if you put here x equal to 0, f of 0 will be 1. Here you can see x is less than 0. If you put x equal to -1 comma, -2 comma, -3 comma, -4 comma, in all cases the output will be -1. So here you can write, hence fx will take only 3 values. Hence fx will take only 3 values. 3 values equal to, that value will be 1, 0, -1. fx will take only 3 values equal to 1. Fx will take only three values, fx equal to 1, fx equal to 0, fx equal to minus 1. So fx will take, f of x will take only three values, that is 1, comma 0, comma 1. Three value. Don't write like this because this will become set. Only three value with 1, comma 0, comma minus 1 full stop right here. So this way we have to write here. Hence f of x will take only three values with 1, comma 0, comma full stop. So what we will do? Here you have to prove whether this function is 1, 1. So for 1, 1 I am going to write concept here. For 1, 1. For 1, 1. Imply that let x1 comma f2 belong to capital R. Here you can see capital R domain. Let x1 comma f2 belong to capital R domain. Then image of x1 equal to image of f2 imply that x1 equal to f2 comma for all x1 comma f2 belong to capital R domain. This is the common statement you have to write for a function to be 1, 1. Implies that let x1 comma f2 belong to capital R domain. Then f of x1 equal to f of f2 implies that x1 equal to f2 semicolon for all x1 comma f2 belong to capital R domain. This is the common statement you have to write for all cases for a function to be 1, 1 function. So what we'll do here? Here you can see capital R domain. The capital R is the set of real numbers. That is domain. The capital R, the value of element of capital R can be taken from these members. The x1 can be 1, x1 can be minus 1. So if you take here x1 equal to, here again let x1 equal to, put here x1 equal to 1 and f2 equal to minus 1. Why? Because here it says x1 comma f2 belong to capital R. In capital R you can see here x1 equal to 1, x1 equal to 1 you have got, f2 equal to minus 1, x2 to minus 1 you have got. So minus 1, 1 here are the element of capital R. So I can let this one. So what happened? Here you can write very well. Implied that f of x1, if you write here, f of x1, the f of x1, it will become f of 1, image of 1. The image of 1 you will take from where? Here you can see image of 1. So here you can see x1 equal to 1. So in place of x here, I shall put x1 equal to 1. So here x1 equal to 1 we will put. So 1 is greater than 0. This means that this will come. So it will come 1. Image of 1 will be 1. And image of minus 1 will be image of minus 1. Here you can see f2 is equal to minus 1. The value of f2 equal to minus 1 will be put here. f2 equal to minus 1. So here put -1. So -1. Since here you can see x is less than 0. So this means that -1 will come. So here we will get here -1. So here you can see f of x1 equal to f of x2, but x1 is not equal to f2. So here you can write very well f of x1 equal to f of f2, but x1 not equal to f2 for all x1 f2 belong to capital R domain. So here you have got image of 1 is 1, image of -1 is -1. So here you can see image of 1 is 1, image of -1 is -1. So this is the case. Here if you put x1 equal to 1, f of x1 equal to 1, or here if you put f2 equal to -1, f of -1 equal to -1, it has come. So here you have got, if you get f of 1 equal to, let f of 1 equal to f of -1, then 1 is not equal to -1. F image of 1 equal to image of -1. Let both are equal. Then 1 is not equal to -1. Hence you can write, hence f is not 1, 1. F is not 1, 1 function. Now come out to next for onto function. For onto implies that let y belong to capital R codomain. Let y belong to capital R codomain. Then there exists x belong to capital R domain such that f of x equal to y. This is the common statement you have to write for all cases in order to prove a function onto. Let y belong to capital R codomain, then there exists x belong to capital R domain such that f(x) equal to y. In this case, I shall write, in this case, let -2 belong to capital R codomain. Here I have let minus 2 belong to capital R codomain. So here you can see minus 2 belong to capital R codomain. So capital R is the set of real number. The capital R is here. Minus 2 is element of capital R. So minus 2 you can see here minus 2. Minus 2 is the element of capital R. Here minus 2 is the element of capital R codomain. Then there does not exist X belong to capital R domain. Such that fx equal to minus 2, f of x equal to minus 2. So in this case, let minus 2 belong to capital R codomain. Then there does not exist x belong to capital R domain such that image of x equal to minus 2. Why it is so? Here you can see the value of x will not be there in the set of real numbers, so that image of that value comes out to minus 2, because here minus 2 can be belong to the set of real number codomain. So here you have to find the value of x that lies in real number, the set of real number domain. So such value doesn't exist. Therefore, you can write, hence f is not onto function. F is not onto function because here you can see fx. Fx equal to minus. The fx equal to, if you take fx equal to 1, the fx equal to, fx of value will take only fx equal to 1, fx equal to 1. So 1 is not equal to minus 2. Fx equal to 1. Take fx equal to 1, x greater than 0. X greater than 0. If you take fx equal to 1, fx equal to 1, x greater than 0. So put fx equal to 1 here. So 1 not equal to minus 2. If you take x equal to 0, so here you can put 0 is not equal to minus 2 in this case also. And also fx equal to, you will get here minus 1. So minus 1 also not equal to minus 2. That's why here you can write f is not onto function. So here I have written f equal to 1, x greater than 1. For this one I have written. For this one you can write fx equal to 0, x equal to 0. Here you can write fx equal to minus 1, x less than 0. Fx will have only 3 values. That value will be 1, 0, minus 1. Condition is here given, x greater than 0, f is equal to 1, x equal to 0, f is equal to 0, x less than 0, f is equal to minus 1. So this is the case, that's why f is not onto function. So here you can write, hence, therefore, f is neither neither one nor onto function. So here I have written, therefore f is neither one nor onto function. This is the complete solution of question number 5 exercise 1.2. This is the proper lecture of today. I have finished.